Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I am going to do an unboxing of the Passion Planner special deal. Did you guys get in on it? Passion Planner did a flash sale where they were selling their dated 2019 planners for $1. Now the only catch was that shipping was $7, so I guess overall your total would be $8 per planner. But still, for $1, I thought that was a really good deal because I've always wanted to try the Passion Planner. I don't think I've tried it. Well, I take that back. I used to use the printable Passion Planner sheets for my business, I want to say maybe 2 or 3 years ago. But I had never ordered the actual planner because I had found other things that I liked. But because these were only $1, of course, I had to go ahead and get one, or actually I got two, just because I figured, you know what, I could always repurpose the planner, or I could give it away if I really, really don't like it. But I thought for $1, it was a good deal to try it out. So this is my box here. I do have to start off by saying I am not impressed with the packaging of the planners. Like I said, I ordered two, and I've seen some other people do some unboxings, and they're you know, the packaging and the shipping is just not that great. I mean, you can see in this big box they literally just threw two planners in there. One is in a envelope and one is not, but I'm guessing for the price they did not want to be, you know, I guess they just did not want to put in the time and effort to pack it nicely. So I get it. But I got the rose gold, and I can't remember if this is what is considered the classic size. And then the other one I got was the teal. So let's go ahead and take a look at that one. Now, I'm actually considering using these planners instead of my big happy planners, and I'll tell you why. My happy planners, oh my gosh, I'm struggling to get this open. My happy planners, I mean, I've been using them for a while, but I'm finding that I'm just not as excited to be using those planners anymore. Not that anything, you know, horrible has happened, but I don't know. I'm just, you know, ready for a change. Wow, this teal colored one is gorgeous. I did not know that the design was different. So I got the rose gold, and you can see this one has like a floral type of design. And then I also got the teal, and this one has like a wave or beach kind of design with a diamond. Very pretty. And then it looks like you get a couple of stickers. Really nice. So let's go ahead and start with the teal one, just because, believe it or not, I thought that I would like the rose gold, the rose gold one better, but I think I'm liking the teal one better. At least I think this is teal. I'm not sure if that's the actual color name or whatever, but I really like it. Okay, so I know a lot of us are already familiar with the Passion Planner and the Passion Planner system, so I'm not going to go into too much detail as far as, you know, how the planner works, what the steps are as far as laying out your goals and whatnot. I really just kind of wanted to show you guys the planner and the quality of it, and share my, you know, initial thoughts and impressions about it. So you have your year at a glance calendars here, 2019, 2020, and then it goes right into January. Month on 2 page, and the paper quality is actually quite nice. Then you have your week on 2 page with a Sunday start. Now I know they also have a Monday start layout, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So you can either choose if you wanted a Sunday start or a Monday start. I think for the special deal though, I didn't see the option to choose a Sunday or Monday start. So this one starts on a Sunday, which is okay. I mean, I can work with that. I would prefer a Monday start on my week at a glance, but like I said, I can work with it. And it is a hourly or timed planner, so it starts at 6 a.m. and then it goes all the way to 10:30 p.m. Then you have quotes here: personal to do, work to do, space of infinite possibility. So I'm really liking this. And then when you get to the end of the month, you have some monthly reflection pages, and then you go right into the following month. Now I really like the size of this. I'm guessing it's similar to the Erin Condren. I'm thinking it's like a 7 by 9 inches. And when you get to the back, you have end of year reflection pages, and then you have some blank pages for notes, and then it looks like you have dot grid. You do get quite a bit. And then you have a back pocket. Oh wow, this is like a it's like a cloth or something. Then you have your elastic band. This is really nice, much nicer than the paper. And then this is the back, and then it looks like you get yes, you get a ribbon bookmark as well. So I'm really liking this. Like I said, I might start using it. Let's look at the rose gold. So again, you've got the instruction pages in the beginning, and then you go right into the month on 2 pages, and then you have your weekly layout. And this one also has the Sunday start for the week, ends on Saturday. So I'm really excited. Like I said, I think I might start using this just to kind of play around with it and see. I know this comes in 3 sizes. It comes in like a smaller, like half sheet, a size 5, and then I think it comes in a larger size too, which is like a full size sheet of paper, like an 8.5 by 11, or maybe an A4 size. So this is just really nice. And then you get the back pocket again. It's kind of like this material. I mean, I don't know if it's silk, but it feels like a silky material pocket. And then you have your elastic band. And then you also have your bookmark here. And oh, I'm guessing maybe this one is a breast cancer awareness or something. So there you go. Those are my $1 passion planners that I picked up during the flash sale. Did you get in on this deal? If you did order them, I'd love to know what you plan on doing with the planner. If you're going to just go ahead and use it for the remainder of 2019, or do you plan on redating it and maybe using it next year? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.